After successfully removing rust from our old Otis and insulating his walls and ceiling, it was now time for another exciting novelty in our van build story. Nasty one?
Yeah, a little bit.
Enter the dusty world of woodworking.
I just twice cut once.
And learning how to use its sometimes scary but beautifully effective tools. Our first task? To create a simple but robust framework that is anchored to our van's floor. Let's go! Wait. I think usually you hold it on the other end. This should be the stable end, you know what I mean?
Yeah, both ends should be.
So maybe you can put it like this. Our goal is to use as much secondhand material as we can for this van build. But for this step, we didn't find any appropriate wood in our living area, and so we resorted to buying these pine slats.
Whoa!
Wow!
Good job!
This one is the one! Clearly, with my country girl skills and Ali's city boy wits, we were off to a great start. Now that I'm a saw expert, the key is, no, you always have to exactly from this side. And you have to make it, you go like this first, only like this. Then you make like a start, you know?
Nice.
Better, huh?
Very good.
Ooh, you want to see if it fits? Man, woodworking is fun. Okay, try it.
Okay.
You have the honor.
Right. This is the piece I cut.
One side fits.
Actually, yeah, it fits really well, but it's a bit shorter. Yeah, perfect.
Does it fit?
Yeah, you have to sand it a little bit first. My glasses are on here.
Apart from the occasional adjustments, we were on a roll. When the horizontal 7 were in place, we cut additional vertical slats. Those together would create a grid that would support our final floor in all the right places. That's cool how it falls. By now you're probably wondering why we worked with handsaws in a building full of tools. Good point. After getting the proper instructions, we were fully empowered to use a vast array of electric saws, and our universe expanded. Just move back and forth.
Yes.
It's supposed to be.
Wood in here.
Nasty one.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, no.
Yes, it's part of it.
Disgusting. I can't watch this. I can't watch this.
Part of it.
this dark winter evening, we finished cutting the grid. And even though we were tired, we wanted to connect all its different pieces. This framework that had taken us from sawing uneven pieces of wood by hand to near perfecting them by machine was now coming together as one foundation for the rest of our build. It's drill time! Can you do that from the side?
Yeah, from where else are you gonna do that?
Lifting it up so you have the right angle to push.
Just do it like this, right?
I'm thinking though, make sure that's in the middle of this rib, huh?
Well, we're already starting to lose drills to screws.
And let's just start with screwing this in here, right?
How long these screws are. Actually, I'm just gonna lift this. Actually, it's really hard. Alright, you got this?
What should I do?
Just hold the wood. Let's just take a break after I screw this one in. I'll stretch my foot in. Break time. Oh. Oh.
Oh, grabs. The old legs.
So, jetzt haben wir überall die Schrauben reingemacht. And we're done here. Built the whole frame. It's all drilled in there. So now we can start with the floor.
Not so fast, my friend. From here on, we still had several steps ahead of us to make this connected but floppy framework much more stable.
Up to
One issue was that several floor ribs in the front part of the van were lower than the others, and therefore they created an uneven base for the grid we built. Six small pieces of wood, cut from leftover pine slats, and a bottle of wood glue could easily correct this small but hard to ignore unevenness. Now our framework was well in place and level, but still not attached to our car. In order to do that, we were gonna need a much stronger adhesive and a technique that we may speak more boldly about. Thank you so much for watching, and we really hope to see you in the next one. There is a hole, people. Look, you can see the floor. Honey, warm up that drill for me.